You've got to have a good time despite all the little things that happen.
Your foot was sizzling every time you touched it.
Welcome back to Craving.Outdoors. In the last episode, we failed to get to a riverside camp spot because the Arkto kept bottoming out. Lessons were learned about adjustments needed for an off-roading hitch setup. We moved on to a different campsite and discovered that our propane was empty. Oops, we have no propane in there. In this episode, we scrambled to build a fire. Everything is wet and heavy rain is on the way. Can it be fun camping in these conditions? Of course it can. Woo! But before we get into all of that, for those of you new here, here's a little something about us. We're Joe and Solveig, and we love travel trailer adventures with our Arkto camper or Airstream. So let's go on a ride, and hopefully you learn something and have some fun. We gotta go get firewood, huh?
Yep.
The camp host told us that we can go and collect wood around, so that's what we're gonna do.
This thing is pretty wet.
Oh, is it really?
We have a lot of wood though.
Yeah. Are they really? Yeah. Yeah, they sat out in the rain last night.
So note to self, don't store things outside.
I don't really think this is gonna work very well.
Oh, hold on. How did you, let me see how you set it up. All right, so let me show you something. The way you'd get some good kindling, you take the axe, and then we'll just shave off bits and pieces. Deck, you want to do this?
Yep.
If you hold the axe a little bit more up here, you'll have a little bit better control over it, because you're not doing like major, you see, you're just shaving. You see that?
Yeah.
Here, a little bit further down. You got to let it swing a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you want to be able to let it swing. Okay, and watch your thumb, okay?
Feels like we're doing golf again. You'd always show me how to do this the right form.
Yeah, there you go. See, you're breaking off all these little nice bits here. That's perfect. That's a good one.
You gotta like kind of bite in.
Yeah. And then, hold the axe how it's comfortable for you. You don't have to hold it how I showed you, but just make sure.
That's actually a good way to do it.
There you go. Now you're learning. Beautiful, Jack.
Like if you hit it too soft, and then it gets dangerous.
Right, exactly. Okay, so this is good
Yeah,
pile, right? What you want to do now is let's clear this out.
Yep.
So now what we're going to do, Jack, is you're going to build a little pile. Take the smallest bits first, because those are going to light fastest, okay? Well, those are going to be our starter.
Yeah.
Because that'll light with the lighter.
Yeah, this is like really kind of fluffy wood.
Right, exactly. So the smaller, lighter, and more surface area, it's gonna be easier to light. That's good. So now put the little pile in there. Go ahead and pile it right there. So that's good. Make it airy. Okay, that's good. That's good. So on top of that, Jack, we're gonna build a pyramid, and that's good. So that's a good pyramid. So then now what we're gonna do is we're going to put a piece of lump of wood on the side. Okay, so that when this gets going, we can start piling up wood this way. So now you can light it.
Okay.
And just let it light, and then get as low as possible, so that, because the flames always burn upwards. You see that? It's lighting good.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Lights really fast, right? So there we go. So now you can start piling everything on top of it. And just like right on top. We just don't want to smother it.
Yeah.
That's fine. So now let's just let that burn a little bit.
That caught really fast.
So fast. This is fantastic. We can put this on the side here. That'll catch. There you go. Now we're gonna let that go. Let's just pile it all on there now.
Whoa.
Nice job, Jack.
Yeah.
You're like a little fire master right here. Okay, so now, once this gets going, we can start just organizing and just stacking lumber right on it.
Yeah.
Beautiful fire.
Yeah,
Nice
look at that
pit.
sucker. That's gonna
Do
be
we
good.
do we have steaks?
Yeah.
Awesome. It's warm.
And it's warm. That's right.
I know. It's so cold out now.
You see now those big ones are catching.
Yeah. It like sings my eyeballs.
Everything is just gonna have to go on the grill
Mm-hmm.
because somebody forgot to make sure we had propane. And so we don't have use of the stove. I don't know how we're gonna do breakfast in the morning, but that's a problem for tomorrow. I'm just throwing everything in foil.
She's got broccoli inside, and she puts butter in there, and then
a little salt and pepper.
and then she seals it up in this foil.
Yeah.
And then what we do is we put the foil just straight on the fire, and it'll cook inside there.
Great, yeah.
Big piece on there now. Oh yeah, we got fire. Oh, it feels really good. This is the life right here. Onions, potatoes. Cooking it the same way that we're cooking the broccoli.
Everything better with butter.
Let's see how much butter we got in here. Oh yeah.
Shut up.
Uh-huh.
The potato foils.
That looks fantastic. Can you hear it?
Mm-hmm. Sizzle.
You can hear the sizzle. Oh, I could smell the onions, honey.
Oh, you're sitting under it like an awning, Jeff. You're not getting rained on?
A little bit.
And we got some raindrops coming from the sky up there. And they're hitting. Hopefully they stay at that level.
All right, cooking steak on the Barbie.
Looks like dinner is ready.
Yep.
Mmm.
So,
So open it up and let's see.
broccoli.
Wow.
Oh, not cooked enough?
I just want to like
Heat it up?
flame it.
Are these all ribeye steaks, honey?
Yeah. Only the best for us. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, look at that. I might do the same thing, Jack.
Oh yeah.
Good stuff?
It adds like a smoky flavor.
Yeah.
To be in the flames.
Now this is the life.
It's nice eating right next to the fire because I'm like warming up.
Jeff, do me a favor.
Toss that on.
Yeah. These cool down really fast.
Dad, do you want me to flip yours?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Mmm.
Oh, that is so good. Wow.
I know, this is just so yum.
Mmm.
Because now it's starting to get heavier.
Okay.
And we're just trying to batten down the hatches and just get everything ready so that we can just jump into the camper when we have to. But we still want to be hanging out by the fire right now and having some marshmallows. Look at the surfaces. Everything is like
Everything's just
wet.
getting wet.
You can see the raindrops. Look what we got. We're here with a campfire. We have to roast marshmallows. I don't care how much it rains. Now that is roasting marshmallows right there. Look at those bad boys. Mmm. That is the perfect s'more right there.
And it melted all the chocolate underneath.
Yum.
How is it? Okay, everybody. I don't know if you can see us right now, but it's super dark out. The rain is coming. We've got things battened down, and we're going to be out here as long as possible to roast up these marshmallows. Jack, how's that s'more?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Delicious.
Dumping rain right now. Really have to pee. but I don't want to go out because it's raining. And Jack's sleeping on the toilet.
I'm not sleeping. I gotta wrap myself in this blanket because it is so cold.
Jackie boy, come up and snuggle with Mama. Jackie boy's so happy right now.
It is so warm right here.
Isn't it nice, Jack?
Yeah.
This bed is so incredibly comfortable.
Like a whole blanket.
Close your eyes, everybody, for a second, because I'm gonna turn the light on. And it's gonna get bright, but then I'll dim it. Hey, Jack.
Good morning.
All right, Jack, go try your thing.
Just gonna lay here and be dry and warm.
I got the fire going.
Jack got this great fire going.
I had to do the shavings under the table because they kept getting
Oh,
wet.
look at that. Yeah. That's right, because they're so small, they'll soak up water really fast.
Yeah.
So how big of a pile of shavings did you do?
Well, the pile was only like this big
Mhm.
because if I made it too big, it wouldn't light. So I had to go really small and then just start adding things on.
Nice. Thank you, Jack. And I think now we're going to try to make a little breakfast on this fire. Honey! Come on, let's go, man. Grumble, grumble.
You boys are annoying me.
We're hungry. We want to eat.
So, you're not capable?
Nope.
Gee.
Not when Mama's here. Hey, like you say, sometimes I have jobs, but you have a job when we're camping.
Whatever, dude.
Daddy don't cook when Mama's camping with us.
Oh, here we go.
She's alive!
Oh, shut it.
She's alive! She's alive! So Jack was asking what we have for breakfast options, and I didn't know.
We have corned beef hash.
Ooh, corned beef hash, Jack.
That's a classic.
That's what we call dog food.
We have bacon.
Bacon! Yeah, let's cook up some bacon.
And I mean, I suppose we could try for soggy pancakes. I don't know if that's something we want to do.
I would love soggy pancakes.
Soggy pancake sounds great. Perfect. Look at that, it's getting hot. Pancakes in the rain, cooked outside over a fire. It'll be interesting to see how that works. This one's for the pancakes. Okay. And this thing is starting to get heat up.
Oh, it's hot, right?
No, not that. Oh, yes, it is.
Duh. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, damn.
Bacon.
Damn.
You want me to do that, honey? It doesn't bother my eyes.
It doesn't matter which freaking direction I'm in, the wind just comes at me.
Mm-hmm.
I need the table like here so that I can actually.
Dad, help me move the table.
Okay, that's better.
Okay. There we go. How's the pancake?
This is the best way to eat it.
Just dip it.
Oh, perfect. Ah! Oh, that's hot.
Really straight from being flame broiled, literally. You could not have guessed. Yeah, I'm not surprised.
We don't have anywhere to sit because everything got soaked last night. Oh my God, that looks so good. Yeah, this fire feels really good.
Jack, are you going to want another pancake?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Just make it all,
Oops.
honey.
No, honey, there's a lot in here.
Should I go for it?
Oh, nice.
Hey! All right, now we're gonna put the corned beef hash in all the bacon fat. Because that's what you do is you cook your bacon first, you get a nice bunch of bacon fat in there, and then you throw the corned beef hash and you cook it in the bacon fat, and it's so good.
This pancake is like perfectly crunchy on the outside, but fluffy on the inside.
Oh my God, it looks really good, man.
Okay, we're gonna declare this done.
Yeah.
Corned beef hash.
Wow, that is so good.
I would love coffee. Can you make me a cup too?
Yeah, I will.
Jeff, we have milk if you want milk in it.
Good?
It's good. Yeah.
Jackie Boy's my son. He's drinking black coffee.
Whatever. Real Canadian maple syrup.
Real Canadian bacon?
Yeah. I'm confused this morning.
Oh my God, you're like actually having a proper breakfast.
That's the
Not-
way to do it.
Not eating piecemeal like us. I can't believe how crispy this is. Here's the mix we're using. We bought it in Canada last year. We never used it. It's just been sitting in the Arkto. All right, my coffee is finally ready. Well, it's hot.
The last thing we should pack up is the bucket of water. So I want to keep this fire going until we're like ready to go.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, this fire ring has, like, this doesn't get hot right here.
It does. Your foot was sizzling every time you touched it. I literally heard you go. Tss.
Doesn't get hot right here.
All right, we are pretty much packed up and ready to go. Now we have our wastewater from the sink that we always save till last to dump in the fire. Do the honors.
Hot.
Yeah, but so careful. It's like a witch's cauldron.
Wow.
We could make some smoke signal.
And now he's got soup.
Oh yeah. Witch's brew. Wow, it's boiling water.
Yep.
Dang, that's crazy.
We are packed up, ready to go. This was a lot of fun, even though there was a lot of trials and tribulations. The rain, the forgetting the propane. We still had a good time, didn't we?
Yep.
Yep.
And that's what you got to
Wow.
do.
Ash.
You've got to have a good time despite all the little things that happen. Okay, everybody, we'll see you next week in our next video. Bye, everyone.
I know.
Bye.
Bye. Joe, you gotta like.